In today's video, I am going to share the 5 best ab exercises for the ultimate at-home core workout, according to personal trainers. Strengthening your core improves your posture, reduces back pain, and prevents injury. Do this ab workout 2 to 3 times a week to build abs and get a six-pack. Before we go ahead with these effective workouts, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. 1. Heel tap. Lie on your back with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle with feet off the ground. Keeping your knees bent, extend one foot to touch the floor, then return to the starting position. Repeat on each leg 10 times for a total of 20 reps. 2. Standing oblique crunch. Stand up straight with your feet wide apart and lower into a wide leg squat. Place your hands behind your head and lower your upper body towards one knee and then the other. Repeat for a total of 20 reps, 10 on each side. 3. Half sit-up. Sit up straight with your knees bent and your feet placed on the ground directly in front of you. Slowly lower your upper body 4 to 5 inches away from your feet and hold the position for 5 to 10 seconds. Return to the starting position and repeat the exercise 10 times. Tip: move your feet closer to your body to make the exercise easier. Hold a dumbbell or medicine ball for extra intensity. 4. Leg lower. Start with your legs at a 90-degree angle directly overhead. Slowly lower your legs 4 to 5 inches so they are still hovering in the air and hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Return to the 90-degree angle and repeat the exercise for 10 reps. Tip: lower your legs until you feel your core muscles activate. 5. Extended arm plank bird dog. Start in a plank position. Engage core and lift left arm and right leg off the mat at the same time, keeping hips as level as possible. Slowly return to start. Repeat on the opposite side. That's 1 rep. Complete 10 reps. Continue to the next move. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you tap the thumbs up button for this fitness video and consider subscribing for more weight loss contents to become fitter, healthier and more confident.